The classic movie, halftime, locker room, Churchillian oratory from the coach, whipping the team into a frenzy for their coming onslaught, is now gathering dust in Hollywood's archives. Today's most successful coaches are masters of human psychology, combining insight with superb communication skills. Japan's feudal militaristic regimes for leadership spill over into business from the domestic sports world. Age, seniority, rigid hierarchy, and the suppression of the individual are the key leadership lessons learnt at varsity, not a sparkling sports blueprint for leadership in the modern world of business. In Japan, we must train our leaders to motivate our teams, one person at a time, based on what that person finds motivational. Motivating others requires a good understanding of the interests and aspirations of that person. Communication skills and time invested in getting to know that person are critical. We need to build business success, individual by individual,